On your computer, open a browser and on your browser search bar type google.com and google.com and go to Google page. And now we have to sign in to our Google account, or we have to select our correct Google account. So in this top right corner, tap on your profile photo and go ahead and select the exact Google account from which account you want to remove connected apps. So here's I've already selected my account. Now click on manage your Google account and you'll be redirected to your Google account homepage. Once you're here in this left-hand menu, click on data and privacy. Under data and privacy, scroll down until you see apps and services. And under apps and services, you'll find two different sections. One is content saved from Google services and another section is third-party apps and services. So in order to remove third-party apps and services from your Google account, click on this section. And here you will find all of your third-party apps and services. Now all you have to need, go ahead and click on the apps and service that you want to remove from your Google account and click on delete all connections you have with the apps and services. And you can read this, click on confirm, and the specific app or service will be removed or disconnect from your Google account. And now I'm going back from this third-party apps and services section, and now this time let's click on content saved from Google services, and here click on delete a service. And to delete a Google service from your Google account, click on delete a service, and you have to verify your Google account password. And here you'll find all of your added Google services. Go ahead and delete any of them by clicking on this delete icon.